this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got something exciting that was sent to me by Panggang of Australia. Thank you very much. This is Indomie me Keriting Ayam Panggang, which means curly noodles with grilled chicken flavor. It comes with a little bowl of soup, as you can see right down there. That's what that bowl is. So, yeah. This used to be available in the United States many years ago. And it's truly a wonderful thing. This is the soup sachet, the kwa. This is the stuff for the mee goreng side of the stick. Now, there it is, dehydrated vegetables. And I need the scissors. There we go. So we put in the vegetables. This is a very short time to prepare, too. You cook the noodles for 2 minutes. So there's the veg. The noodles did get a little beat up during the shipping, but I'm using them all. This is one that I've really wanted to review again for a long time, so. And I need a 2-minute timer. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. There. So the soup is prepared by adding this and 150 mils of water. So, yeah. I guess I better get my 250 mils of water real quick. I'm just going to take it out of the boil and put it in here. So, by the way, if you ever see one, I would like to own a measuring device that only, oh, it's got noodles in it. That only has, what do you call it? Metric. So it's only in milliliters, not cups. And I want it on the other side. And I got one in Taiwan when I was there last time. And I was super stoked on it, but guess what happened? It got put in the dishwasher and that sucker melted like nothing else. So that's a bummer. A little bit more. Okay, so there's that. And then we need the soup base. Put that in. How much time we got? Ooh, I'm really getting close to the mark on this. So here's our soup and our 150 mils of liquid. And we're just going to stir that up. So there we go. Excuse me. Now you drain the noodle. Drain well, it mentions on the package, by the way. This is going to be the first of many Indonesian varieties that were sent to me kindly by a reader from Australia. Thank you again. Yeah, you're gonna have to deal with me thanking this lady like every single episode, that's for sure. But it's a big deal. I can never source this stuff. So it's really cool. There's some stuff that she sent that I've never even heard of, that's what I'm into. Okay, here's our goo. Come on. Do another little cut right there. I wish there was a... What the heck? There. Let go. Give up the sauce. I wonder if there's any Indonesians out there that have a trick to getting this stuff out better than I do. I guess you don't have to be Indonesian, but I'm guessing it wouldn't, eh? But it's so messy. But it's so freaking good. There we go. Oh. And then, oh, we need this sachet too. Ooh, that was spicy. Yeah, they used to have this and another special curly noodle. And then they also had rendang. And they don't have that anymore here in the US. It's just like, they used to have skipjack tuna, I think it was. They don't have that flavor anymore either. It's just like, why? They were so freaking good. Wow, just the taste of that sauce brings me back to my early days of reviewing. Alright, come and have a look-see. This stuff, man, if you like Indomie, I'm going to tell you right now, you would lose your mind over this stuff because it's so freaking good. Look at that. Yeah. It's really good. I'm telling you. This was on like my first 2 top 10 lists, and then it came off because I thought it was out of print. You know, out of production. There we are. Cheers. God. People bug me about giving scores. Now I'm going to try the soup just straight out of this. It's like chicken soup broth. And what I used to do, I didn't realize, I would make it separately and then I'd pour it over the noodle. But no, you have it separately. That was before I really did the Ramen Raiders stuff, is I would enjoy this stuff constantly. Okay, so here's the soup, and basically I'm just going to put it in this bowl. Didn't really need to have any noodles with it, but it's kind of hard when the pack was kind of munched. So there's the soup. Now we're going to do the noodle. And I think I'll do my standard cuppa. What? I'll show you. Okay. I don't know where this cup came from, but I really like it. It does what it needs to do. I just pour the noodles into it. I'll just pour those on top. Then I kind of go like that to kind of make it more together. And then I just go wham! And since it's not perfectly centered, I'll open it towards this way and kind of give it a I'm gonna kind of blossoms out in a way. That's my logic with it. God. Is it snowing yet? No. Okay, so we've got that. I'm gonna scooch this over just a slight bit. Because I have a not so perfect egg, but... And in fact, on this one, it showed a hard-boiled egg with it, but I just can't do that. That just seems wrong. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of spring onion on here. I'm gonna put that little pile right here. Yeah. I'll do my best to plate this pretty style. Really dry chicken. Yeah, I kind of overdid it with this chicken. It's got what's on it? Paprika and cumin and a little bit of generic seasoning salt. So there's that. Kind of looks like katsu, but it's not breaded. Some pepper flake. And just to everything's this way, we want more that way. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to overdo it. I was thinking of putting some sesame seed on it as well, but I'm going to leave it at this. Man, I'm telling you right now, I haven't had this in so long, and it is still so amazingly good. Rad. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm really excited about this. I haven't had this in so long. It's such a good dish. Here's what it looks like. And I think to kind of finish it all off and put it all together, one of my favorite things is fried onion that comes with Indomie usually, with their mee goreng varieties. So that's what's going on top, right on the tippity top here, I think. Another thing you could do is add a little bit of like some kind of sauce. A sauce would work well on the chicken, kind of moisten it up a little bit. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm only doing 2 reviews today, the one you saw yesterday and this one. I think I'll probably do some more tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.